How to do spinal decompression at home if you're struggling with a slip disc or lower back pain. So my name is Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey, and we help people with chronic low back and knee pain avoid a lifetime of painkillers and surgery. Whether you're dealing with lower back pain, disc issues or sciatica, spinal decompression can be really beneficial and relieve pressure on your spine to help improve your freedom, mobility and reduce pain. And the best part is all these exercises now you're going to be able to do at home. So spinal decompression is all about relieving pressure on your spinal discs and nerves. Pressure can build up from sitting, using iPhones, accidents. It puts pressure on the discs and compresses them. Sciatica, general back tension, it's going to cause a lot of stress. So we need to bring that stress off. That's going to create more space between the vertebra, allowing the discs to rehydrate, the nerves to relax, and the pain to reduce. So decompression is going to help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support your spine's natural healing process. Remember, your body's really good at healing itself, it just needs no interference, so a bit of a nudge in the right direction. No fancy equipment required. So let me go through some really simple, effective strategies you can use now to decompress your spine at home. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort, and always consult with a medical professional before starting these exercises. So first one for decompression is going to be child's pose. This is your yoga stretch. So essentially starting on all fours like this, let the hands go forwards and try and bring your hips back to your heels. So really pushing back like that, taking pressure off the base of your spine, letting the spine flop all the way back is going to be really beneficial to decompress those lower vertebrae. Hold this for 30 seconds and then come forwards and then back again for another 30 seconds. Just letting the body relax, the hips relax down here. Cat-cow. This one again on all fours. You could do this after you've done the child's pose. The aim here is to raise the shoulders and the hips up, arching the head, and then reverse like this. So push the hips back, the head comes backwards, and then lift the hips up, and then rolling backwards like this. So just rolling through this again for 30 seconds, and then relax through there. Another lovely way to decompress the spine, open up the vertebra, allow those discs to come back into a better position. It's a little tricky. You might need some equipment. So I would get a cushion, a bolster, or a yoga block is a great way to do this. But putting the bolster underneath your back, and then keep your knees raised and just let your body roll back over this, and keeping the legs up like this. The more the legs are at an angle, the more you can get more of a curve back in the lower back like that, and it will help to open up the vertebra. If you want to increase the intensity of the stretch, then stretch the legs out like this. It's going to really help take a lot of pressure off your lower back. When you get up, really important, you roll off to the side or push the hips up, lift this off, and then roll up to the side. Okay? And then we've got the forward fold. So it's simply like this, holding your arms, and then just gradually letting the body forward like this, and just rocking from side to side. Really helps take a lot of pressure off your lower back, and can stimulate some fluid movement through the base of your spine. So I'll show you again. Just from the side, and just rock from side to side. When you come back up, make sure you suck your tummy button in, squeeze your buttocks. Just need to be careful with that one if you have got a disc problem, because it just puts a lot of pressure. It can put some pressure on the disc, but you need to do it gently, okay? The final one is hanging decompression. So hanging decompression like this, on a door frame or a chin-up bar. Let the legs bend, hold like this, and let the weight go through your back. Hold for 30 seconds, takes a load of pressure off your lower back. So after performing these decompression exercises, it's really important that you do try and cool down, let your body settle into that new alignment. So the relaxation pose is really important. Just lie flat on your back with your legs elevated over a chair or a cushion. This position helps to relax your lower back, improve the circulation of the blood. Make sure you're drinking water afterwards, Water really helps to hydrate your discs, supports recovery as well. So try and increase your water intake over the period of your recovery. And for the best results, try these exercises regularly, but always listen to your body. If it's ever causing more pain or discomfort, stop and consult someone like myself and a medical professional. So spinal decompression at home is incredibly beneficial, but it's important to know your limits. When it is important to seek professional help, get yourself to A&E if there are any bowel or bladder symptoms, like you've lost control of your bowel or your bladder. But if these decompression exercises aren't working, you don't have those red flags, then it may be time to come and see a chiropractor for a personalized assessment and a care plan, and we can help give you some personalized tips and tell you exactly what you need to do. So at West Chiropractic, we are great at dealing with chronic back issues, herniated discs. We have spinal decompression here. We can show you things at home. We can get you on our spinal decompression machine. So always drop a comment in the link below and we can give you some more advice on how you can do that. But if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel for our regular updates. And as always, you can grab copies of my best-selling books here, How to Transform Your Back and The Secret Cure to Back Pain, How to Avoid a Lifetime of Painkillers and Surgery.